I think they were very thoughtful in setting up the IPO process. The company brought in a very experienced CFO, a very experienced head of investor relations, and did what any good communication strategy says, is communicate what you're going to do and then go do it and then communicate what you're going to do next. And I think the company setting themselves up as a discovery platform over the last several years has really put them on the right trajectory.
You have a lot of other investments, including Airbnb and DraftKings. Are those companies, you think, paying attention to this and the contrast between Uber and Lyft?
I think everybody's paying attention to the current market. There's a lot of companies that got out in the first half, and everybody's taking notes on what they did well and poorly.
And what would the takeaways be?
I think the takeaways are, don't try and rush yourself out because you feel competitive pressure or any other kind of pressure. Be prepared to tell your story and have crisp metrics that you can continue to exceed over time.
Sure. And in Pinterest's case, it's a pretty simple story, and simple's good too, right? It's an online advertising platform. They continue to put up numbers like that. They should continue to do well. Does that tell you that there's room in the online advertising space in social for those beyond just Facebook and Google and FANG?
Well, I think Pinterest falls in kind of not only the social space, but the broader advertising space, as they take search share as well as discovery share. But it shows that Facebook and Google have such a high share of the online advertising market, but that market's growing so fast, there's room for folks like Pinterest and Snapchat over time.
Their losses are narrowing, but they're still losses. What is the trajectory by which they become profitable, and how soon do you think?
I don't know the exact time, but you got to think over the next 12 to 24 months, the company has set themselves up on a growth path and both understands their expenses and their revenue, domestic and internationally, to prove that they can generate cash.